I've been working in a more organic, and by that I mean more curvy way. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been working on. And these are the curves I was talking about. Also, I switched to a stand-up desk. So this is now back in sit-down mode so you can see my beautiful face. But I've been standing up, which I actually like a lot better. Anyway, yeah, curves, guys. Curves. That's really all I wanted to show you. Nothing that crazy. But there's me in it. There's me in it. There's my progress. I added this other component in here, as you can see. But this is how it's going. I know, again, I'm not to the elbow, which is like I wanted to be. Just take every time I say I put a deadline on something, just double it. And it's probably a good call. Anyway, these curves are they're smooth and flowing. I'm essentially using this tool right here, which is called, well, I can't find it, but it's called a Fit Point Spline. And it's super fucking makes pretty curves. And the main way I'm doing this now is I said I was going to do them all in one sketch, but what I'm actually doing is I'm layering up the sketches. So I'm actually doing the opposite of what I said. So also take whatever I said and just make it the opposite. Yeah. Because that's giving me that shape and it's allowing me to think through things more efficiently. So essentially what I'm going to have to do is just build all the way through. Back to what I originally said, is I just have to figure out and know what I'm doing. But yeah, pretty curves. Makes everything prettier. It's actually coming along pretty well. Even though it's taking longer than I wanted to, it's actually looking pretty fucking good. And I really like where things are going. So there's that. Yeah, guys, it's coming along. Pretty curves. Doing more of that. And I know it probably just looks like an exoskeleton to you, so you probably don't really understand what I'm talking about, but essentially I'm layering things up. So like when I first started the rings, they were literally just solid rings, and then I put the anchors on, like the spots to attach up top, and then I made them half rings, put the loops on them so that they wouldn't go all the way around, and that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm like building it out in layers as opposed to doing it all in one sketch. So it's literally almost exactly the opposite of what I said I was going to do yesterday. That's kind of how it is. And it's actually making things more organic and more flowing, and I kind of like it. I think it's a better way to do it. But, figuring it out as we go. And, yeah, it's moving. I also worked all day today, so that's why I didn't get as much done as I wanted to. But things are coming along. Come back tomorrow. Check out what I fucking got going on. This thing's looking groovy. Maybe I'll make that the title. I don't know if I'm going to make that the title. You'll know, because you'll know the title when you clicked on this video. I love you guys. You guys are great. Smash the subscribe button if you're new. Do it. I love you. I love all of my subscribers. You know you want to be part of this love. Peace.